this video, we will open the TechnoKids OneNote Class Notebook and have a look at the work your students have been doing. Sign into office.com and open your TechnoKids OneNote Class Notebook. Choose a student's name from the section list and open their assignments area. Pick an assignment from the Pages pane and scroll through the assignment to see where your student has answered questions. Add comments to the page by clicking the Draw tab and using the annotation tools. Choose from either the Type tool to quickly add text or the Pen tool to draw freehand. This might work very well for you if you have a stylus on your device. With the Type tool selected, click to the right of your document to add text. Select the text and use the tools on the mini text toolbar to format the appearance and make your comments look noticeable. To draw freehand, click the Pen tool, pick a color, or pick a color from the palette. Then you can click and drag on the page anywhere to add your own comments. Check to see if your student has submitted any completed work. Click the Student's My Work section and choose a page. Double-click an icon to view a document. Download as prompted and open the file. Once you have viewed the file, you can close it, then use the same annotation tools to add your comments. You can also provide immediate feedback by adding fun stickers. Make sure you do not have anything on the page selected. From the Insert tab, click Stickers. Pick a sticker category. Select a sticker, and some stickers you can customize. Add your own text and click Done. To move a sticker on the page, click its title bar and put it into position. To delete a sticker, click its title bar and press the Delete key. When you're done, you can move on to your next student. All your changes are saved automatically.